Before you start to cut your potatoes and make your chips, you have to make sure you rinse your hands under warm water with some soap. Once you have washed your hands, you should grab your potatoes and rinse them in some water to clean them, and then you can start to cut them. And once you've cut them, you should grab some small slices like these and then put them into water. If you do this, it will remove the starch and comes with a crispier taste when frying. Once you have finished cutting up all your potatoes into small potato chips like this, then let them stay in a bowl of water for about 15 minutes to remove all its starch. The potato chips have been left in water for around 15 minutes. You can start to pour the water down the drain. Make sure to be careful when doing this. Once you have removed the chips from the water, you now have to dry them using a nice dry towel like this. And once they are fully dry, you can start to cook. Once you have finished drying the chips, you have to pour in your rice bran oil. And then once you've poured your rice bran oil in, you have to turn the heat up. And once you've done that, you want to grab a single chip and put it in the oil. And once it starts to fizz later on, that's when you can put some more chips in and let it start to cook. The reason why we use rice bran oil instead of sunflower oil will be listed below this video. So check that out if you want to see why. The chip is starting to fizz like this, you can start to add some more chips in. Be careful to not splash oil on your hand because it might burn a little bit.